A Sioux Falls-based nonprofit is seeking to curb the rate of overdose deaths on the Pine Ridge Reservation and throughout South Dakota. Brian Savage has more on Emily's Hope, recently making naloxone available on the reservation.
Emily's Hope has been working with businesses and tribal governments to distribute naloxone or Narcan kits to various locations in the state and reservations.
We know these naloxone kits are needed. Unfortunately, the Native American population is especially vulnerable to substance use disorder, to overdoses, to fentanyl poisonings, and death.
Naloxone is a medicine that quickly reverses an opioid overdose. The organization started placing naloxone boxes in public places in Sioux Falls on May 7th of last year. Kennedy says her nonprofit idea began after experiencing a personal tragedy.
I lost my 21-year-old daughter, Emily, to fentanyl poisoning, and she didn't know that the drug she used had fentanyl in it. There was no naloxone available.
Kennedy's initiative spread to Project Recovery in Rapid City last April and has now made its way to Pine Ridge. Naloxone distribution boxes have been placed at Bowie Foods in the Oglala Sioux Tribe building. With the Pine Ridge Reservation still under a state of emergency, Kennedy says her initiative being spread to the reservation comes at a great time.
I wish we could have gotten here even sooner, but with Pine Ridge and Rosebud both declaring states of emergency because of drug trafficking and because of the violence that goes along with that, we know these naloxone kits are needed.
Pine Ridge Indian Reservation is 4.6 times higher. They have higher rates of fentanyl overdoses versus the state.
Along with the OST building in Bowie Foods in Pine Ridge, distribution boxes have been placed at Bowie Foods in Mission and the Yoate Teka project in Kyle. The distribution locations provide anonymous access to the naloxone kits for free. Each box contains 2 doses of naloxone, recovery resources, and gloves. Emily's Hope has provided more than 15,000 naloxone doses through kits in different locations in the state, including grocery stores, libraries, and public buildings since its inception. In Pine Ridge, Brian Savage, Dakota Territory News.